How to improve signal service on iPhone. In this video, I'll show you a few easy tricks to boost your signal instantly. If this helps you, make sure to like and subscribe, and watch till the end, because we've got multiple methods that can fix your problem. First, swipe down from the top right to open Control Center. Tap the airplane mode icon, wait for about 10 seconds, then turn it off again. This resets your network connection, and for many users, it immediately improves signal bars. Now go to Settings Mobile Service Network Selection. Turn Automatic off, then choose your carrier manually from the list. Sometimes this connects you to a stronger nearby tower. If your signal is still weak, enable Wi-Fi calling under Mobile Services. His lets you make calls using your Wi-Fi network instead of cellular towers. Just make sure your carrier supports it. And finally, if all else fails, try moving to a different location. Buildings or remote areas can block signal, so a small change in spot can make a big difference. Found this helpful? Smash that like button, and subscribe for more simple tech fixes.